Hi, Excel wizards. Ever check your Uric exit levels but had no clue how to categorize them? No worries. Today I'm showing you a super quick easy way to classify Uric exit level in Excel automatically. Let's jump right in. Before we dive into Excel, let's break down the standard Uric exit categories. For male, their height is higher than 7.2 and for normal is between 3.5 until 7.2 and for low is less than 3.5 and for female height is higher than 6 and normal is between 2.6 until 6 and low is less than 2.6. Got it? Now let's automate it. In column A, we have a gender data, and in column B, we have uric acid level. Now enter this formula in Excel to automatically categorize the results. We type equal, function if, open parenthesis, cell that show gender equal, double quote female, double quote, semicolon, function if, open parenthesis, cell that show uric acid level, higher than 6, and then semicolon, double quote height, double quote, semicolon if, open parenthesis, cell that show uric acid level higher than equal 2.6 and semicolon, double quote normal, double quote semicolon, double quote low, double quote close, double quote parenthesis, and semicolon functional if, open parenthesis, cell that show gender equal double quotes male double quotes semicolon if open parenthesis cell B2 that show uric acid levels higher than 7.2 and semicolon double quote high double quote semicolon if open parenthesis uric acid level higher equal 3.5 semicolon double quote normal double quote semicolon double quote low and double quote and fourth close parenthesis and we hit the enter. So after that we drag down to fill the data and voila, this is formula checks gender and uric acid levels, then instantly assign the right category. Boom, no more manual work. Let's make sense of the data in just a few clicks. Pivot tables are a game changer when it comes to summarizing information effortlessly. Here's how you can instantly see the distribution of race categories. We should highlight the C column and then head over to Insert, Pivot Table, and we fill the blank table range with the column C and then we choose Existing Table for sheet for placing the pivot table. And then we click OK and we drag the uric acid category into the rows and into the values. And we see the count of high uric acid category is about 10 people and for the normal uric acid category it's about 46. See how easy that was? Excel makes everything effortless. If this video helped for you, hit like, drop, and comment and smash that subscribe button for more awesome Excel tricks. Stay smart, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you never miss a new Excel hack. Thank you.
Subscribe now. Subscribe now.